day, Bunny and Jumpy take a long walk and reach the outskirts of the jungle. Once they cross the jungle, they feel very hot and start sweating.
Why is it so hot here?
Asks Jumpy.
It is hot because there are no trees around here. The trees provide us with shade from the scorching sunlight,
Says Bunny.
Then let us grow some trees here.
Says Jumpy. So the next day, Bunny and Jumpy bring a spade, some seeds and water and get ready to plant their first tree. First, they dig up the mud and make a small hole in the ground. Then they put some seeds in the hole and cover them with the mud.
the seeds get thirsty.
Says Bunny.
So we have to pour water over them every day.
So every day, Bunny and Jumpy take turns to pour water over the seeds. After 5 days, they come together and see that the seed has sprouted into a small sapling.
Yippee! We grew our first sapling, which will grow to a huge tree.
Says Jumpy.
Let's grow some more trees.